Mastering intelligent security systems. The real winners in intelligent security are not who you think. Who are the key stakeholders that benefit from achieving the primary goals of implementing an intelligent security system designed to drive operational excellence and enhance the overall safety and security posture of an organization? The key stakeholders that benefit from achieving the primary goals of implementing an intelligent security system designed to drive operational excellence and enhance the overall safety and security posture of an organization include: 1. Senior leadership team. The senior leadership team, including the CEO, CFO, and other executive members, benefits from the implementation of an intelligent security system as it enables them to make informed decisions based on real-time data and analytics. They can review key performance indicators, KPIs, and metrics to assess the effectiveness of security operations, identify areas for improvement, and allocate resources accordingly. 2. Security Operations Center, SOC team. The SOC team, responsible for monitoring and responding to security incidents, benefits from an intelligent security system as it provides them with a centralized platform to detect, prevent, and respond to threats in real time. The system's advanced analytics and automation capabilities enable the SOC team to respond more quickly and effectively, reducing the mean time to detect, MTTD, and mean time to respond, MTTR. 3. Facilities and Operations Management. Facilities and operations management personnel benefit from an intelligent security system as it helps them to optimize facility operations, reduce energy consumption, and improve overall efficiency. The system's integration with building management systems, BMS, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, HVAC systems, and other building systems enables them to make data-driven decisions to improve facility operations. 4. IT and networking teams. IT and networking teams benefit from an intelligent security system as it provides them with real-time visibility into network activity, enabling them to detect and respond to cyber threats more quickly. The system's advanced analytics and threat intelligence capabilities help them to identify vulnerabilities and take proactive measures to prevent cyber attacks. 5. Compliance and Risk Management. Compliance and risk management personnel benefit from an intelligent security system as it helps them to identify and mitigate risks and ensure compliance with regulatory requirements and industry standards. The system's advanced analytics and reporting capabilities enable them to generate compliance reports and provide auditable evidence of security controls. 6. Employees and visitors. Employees and visitors benefit from an intelligent security system as it provides a safe and secure environment, enabling them to focus on their work and activities without concern for their personal safety. The system's advanced access control and surveillance capabilities help to prevent unauthorized access and ensure that only authorized individuals have access to sensitive areas and assets. 7. First responders and law enforcement. First responders and law enforcement agencies benefit from an intelligent security system as it provides them with real-time information and situational awareness during emergency response situations. The system's advanced analytics and integration with emergency response systems enable them to respond more quickly and effectively, reducing the risk of injury or damage. To achieve operational excellence and enhance the overall safety and security posture of an organization, the intelligent security system should be designed to address the following key objectives. 1. Enhanced situational awareness. The system should provide real-time visibility into security-related events and activities, enabling the organization to respond quickly and effectively to security incidents. 2. Improve threat detection and prevention. The system should leverage advanced analytics, machine learning, and threat intelligence to detect and prevent threats, including cyber attacks, physical intrusions, and other security breaches. 3. Streamline security operations. The system should automate routine security tasks and workflows, enabling the security team to focus on higher value tasks and improve overall efficiency. 4. Enhanced compliance and risk management. The system should provide advanced analytics and reporting capabilities to help the organization identify and mitigate risks and ensure compliance with regulatory requirements and industry standards. 5. Optimized resource allocation. The system should provide real-time insights into security operations, enabling the organization to optimize resource allocation and reduce costs. 6. Improved communication and collaboration. The system should facilitate real-time communication and collaboration between security teams, first responders, and law enforcement agencies, enabling a more effective response to security incidents. 7. Continuous improvement and innovation. The system should provide advanced analytics and insights to support continuous improvement and innovation, enabling the organization to stay ahead of emerging threats and improve overall safety and security. By achieving these objectives, an intelligent security system can help an organization to drive operational excellence, enhance its overall safety and security posture, and provide a safer and more secure environment for employees, visitors, and assets.